Dr. Shazia Zafar, MD. She's the owner of the Chief Executive Officer of the Southwest Florida Cancer Care and has been recognized for showing dedication, leadership, and excellence in hematology and oncology. Dr. Zafar is the current president of the Association of the Pakistani Physicians of North America, the abbreviations APPNA, and has started and completed several humanitarian projects, both at national and international level. She has established 2 women empowerment centers, one in Lahore, Pakistan, and the second in Malawi, Africa. And these centers provide technical training to women free of charge. Dr. Zafar brings 18 years of professional experience to her position as a physician of the Southwest Florida Cancer Care and is the only female oncologist in the Pembroke Pines area. She was formally admitted into the Worldwide Registry in 2014 and maintains affiliation with the American Society of Clinical Oncology, the American Society of Hematology, the American Medical Association, and the American Society of Clinical Oncology. In recognition of her professionalism and dedication, she was presented with the Most Compassionate Doctor Award for 5 years in a row, Patient's Choice Awards from 2010 to 2016, and she was named to the Health Grades Honor Roll. Additionally, Dr. Zafar has been voted and recognized in the top 10 medical oncologists in the state of Florida for several years. Congratulations to Dr. Zafar for the outstanding services and dedication she has given to humanity, and may Allah continue to bless her and keep her safe to continue and expand in her profession and humanitarian needs. Dr. Shazia Zafar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. I'm truly humbled and honored to be receiving this award. I feel overwhelmed and emotional. It's a wonderful feeling to receive an award. It means a lot to me. I'm grateful to Alhikmat Foundation from the bottom of my heart to recognize me and my services. As you know, Alhikmat Foundation has been serving local communities and also international communities, both Muslim and non-Muslim, for the last 40 years. Alhikmat Foundation also is at forefront for the interfaith services. And there are people here also from interfaith organization. Thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much for all the work you guys do. So interfaith services mean that people from all religion can live peacefully and also without any prejudice. And Alhikmat Foundation have taken that responsibility also, and they are grooming the next generation and teaching them to be a better human being and also be a better community member. I'm very proud to be a member of this vibrant and progressive community. Thank you again. And I will take this opportunity to also mention my husband's name, Zafar Nawaz, who always is there to help me and support me with all the endeavors I have undertaken. So thank you again, Alhikmat Foundation, and also Mr. Shafat, Maulana Shafat. Thank you very much again. Thanks.